If you have a variable in your document that may change over time, you can enter it as a document property while typing it. And then if you ever change it, it will update all occurrences of that document property throughout your text. This can be useful if you have something such as a project name that's riddled throughout your document. However, in a few weeks' time, you may give it a new name. For example, if I'm calling it New Bakery at the moment, but I'll change that name later on, all I need to do is select that, go to Quick Parts, and make it a document property. And right now, I'll call it the company. Then I can just enter it as New Bakery. And that will be stored as the variable. So if I want to put that in anywhere else, all I need to do is go to Quick Parts, Document Property, Company. And I could continue typing my sentence, is going to launch soon. The unique part about this is, if I ever change that name, all I need to do is change it in one place, such as, we're going to call it something like Best Bakery. And once that's updated, it's going to update automatically throughout our document, which can be really useful when you've got a number of occurrences throughout a long document.